Hello everyone, welcome to Soham Boutiques YouTube channel. So today we are going to shoot an episode on different kind of kurtis. Earlier we had done a similar episode, and after a lot of videos on saris, today again we are shooting an episode on kurtis. Unfortunately we do not have small size, so we'll start with medium. Kurti number 1. It's a navy blue color, and towards the neck there is a kantha stitch work which has been done in it. This part, a white patchwork has been attached, and a similar one is going towards the hands and the sleeves. It's in 3/4, size is medium, and the range is 880. Kurti number 2. It's a bright green color, and the work is done with a royal blue and a navy blue patchwork. This is how it looks like. Material is cotton khadi, so you can definitely wear it during summer. It is also 3/4. This is kurti number 2, medium size. Range is 880. Kurti number 3. I would say it's a vermilion color with orange and yellow kantha stitch work done in the front portion and towards the sleeves. Again in cotton khadi, size is medium, range is 880. This is how it looks like. Very vibrant, good for summers. This is kurti number 4, white, or I would say off-white, cream khadi color. The hands and the sleeves has this patchwork of orange and pink, and the front portion is in dark navy blue with orange and pink thread work. This is how it looks like. This is also in medium size. Price is 880, medium. Moving on. This is a very beautiful, it's a mixture of Rama green and blue, and this part has got navy blue and white kantha stitch work on it. The sleeves are very simple, but still it looks very elegant. Also in medium size, range is 880, kurti number 5. Moving on, kurti number 6 is also in medium size. It's in black and white, a classic combination. In order to break the stereotype, we have added a little red and white kantha stitch work over here, and it has got a black check patchwork over here. Looks very beautiful and vibrant. Will look very smart when you wear it. It's also priced at 880. Kurti number 6. Now we will move on to large size. This is kurti number 7. Size is large. This is orange and has got a yellow and orange and mustard patchwork and kantha stitch work over here. All of these are in khadi material, cotton. Pure cotton khadi. This is how the sleeves look like. All are in 3/4. Kurti number 7. Coming to kurti number 8. This is a dark steel color, and the patchwork is done in black, white with thread work in red and black. Also 880, size large. Very difficult to explain this color. It's like a brick color, I would say, but a lighter brick with a combination of slight brown, and it has got a huge patchwork. The major portion has got this long patchwork work with Kantha stitch in the upper part and later on a block printed cotton piece. The same block print goes in towards the sleeves. Also in large size, kurti number 9. Kurti number 10. This is a dark black kurti with this orange kantha stitch work which is coming towards the neck portion, and in the sides there is this black and white patchwork. Similar patchwork is going towards the sleeves, in the sleeves. This is kurti number 10, large, price 880. Number 11, mustard yellow, red, orange, and this is a Gujarati stitch work. The patchwork is in Gujarati stitch. Towards the hand we have this 2 pieces of cloth which have been attached to make the sleeves. This is also in large size, and this is kurti number 11. Kurti number 12, black and white. The base is white, creamish white, and block prints are done in white and black. A long kantha stitch patch is going from here till the end. Looks very nice and elegant. This is kurti number 12. This is XL in size. Number 13, red in color, bright red. So this pattern is a little different. The patchworks are going on either sides, both sides of the kurti, and the sleeves have the same patchwork. Looks very different. And there are buttons, black buttons on one side. This is also an XL size, kurti number 13. This is one of my most favorite from the today's lot. This is a very beautiful green shade, and 2 types of work are done on it. Initial part has got this another printed material which has been attached, and the lower half has this kantha stitch which has been done on it. It's a beautiful green, and the same cloth has been used in the sleeves. This is also available in another size. We will be mentioning below. Again, I think this is bright lemon yellow, red, orange combination. Patchwork is going, and most of it is done in kantha stitch. Only the sleeves have got this 2 different patchworks. All of these kurtis are at the same price range, 880. They have pockets, you can use them as well. This is kurti number 15. Moving on, kurti number 16. A collage kind of an effect has been done on one side of this kurti. It's in a dark blue color. Similar is going in towards the sleeves, similar kind of a work. This is also priced at 880, pure cotton khadi, and number is 16. 17 is also in kantha, in Gujarati stitch. It's a beautiful peachish pink color, dark, vibrant, and in the middle portion towards the neckline we have this dark blue color, and the Gujarati is done in pink and another blue. This is how it looks like. This is also in double XL size, kurti number 17. Kurti number 18. orange and black. This is how it looks like. All of these are in cotton khadi. This is how the sleeves will look like. Size is double XL, number 18. Number 19, a different color, different green. Very, very summer friendly since the material is very comfortable. This is also in double XL size, kurti number 19. This is kurti number 20. Size is double XL, pure cotton khadi, kurti number 20. 21 is also very beautiful. This is how it looks like. This is how the sleeves are. And this kurti also has got this patchwork towards the back. 21 double XL. 22 navy blue, purple, not purple actually, navy blue, pink, orange, and a slight bit of purple cloth has been used over here. It's also in kantha stitch. Cotton khadi kurti. Size is double XL. This is a short kurti, 23. You can pair it up with skirts, jeans. This is how it looks like. It's also in khadi, white and black combination. This is just at 650. Cotton khadi, this size is XL. 23 is an XL size. 24, another short kurti. This size is also an XL, bright red color with white and black kantha stitch patchwork. 25 is in black, another short kurti. Short kurtis are priced at 650. This is also number 25. The size is double XL. This is in double XL. This is how the sleeves are. This is the last, 26 from the short kurti section. Orange in color. This size is double XL. Oh no, there are two more. This is 27, blue short kurti. Number 27, size is double XL. All same price. 28. Now we will be showing some kurtis which you can make from a piece of cloth, batik cloths, shading batiks. So this is number You can only make it in short sleeves, but you can make long kurtis out of it. It's in pure cotton, malmal. It's a green shade. This is how the back portion looks like. 580. This is in bright yellow. Malmal cotton. This is the back portion. This is all-time favorite red. Beautiful leaf motif done on it in batik. You can make sleeveless or short kurtis out of it. It's also in the same range, 580. A combination of green and blue. White batik done in green and blue. This is also in malmal. Price range is again the same, 580. This is how the back portion is. This is a very unique combination. Mauvish and yellow shade, a shading batik piece, again cotton malmal, range is 580. This is how the back portion is. Green and light pinkish purple mauve. These are all single pieces, so you have to keep options open while you are booking. This is a dark maroon and reddish color, a shading batik done on it. This is also at 580. This is how the back portion looks like. Hopefully you have liked today's episode. So we have shot this entire episodes on different kind of kurtis. We have some more also in our showroom. It is not possible to display everything in the one single episode, but at present COD is not available even in Calcutta. There are only a few pin codes where we will be able to deliver. So while you are booking, please ask whether we have COD services in Calcutta in those particular pin codes. But if it's near around, we will definitely try to deliver by cash on delivery. And for the rest of the country, you can book by prepaying it on our Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm, UPI, bank transfer, anything, and you can book your favorite items. Hopefully you will be liking this episode. If you like this episode, do give a thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Please press on the bell icon to get further notifications. Thank you. Stay safe.